The year is 2025. The world of cryptocurrency continues to pulsate with volatility, opportunity, and a fair share of head-scratching moments. Amidst this dynamic landscape, DOGWIFHAT, or WF, has emerged, a digital asset vying for its place in the sun. But is it just another meme coin riding the coattails of fleeting trends, or does it possess the mettle to carve a lasting niche for itself? This is the question on the minds of many investors, both seasoned and newly initiated. In this analysis, we delve into the intricate world of DOGWIFHAT, examining its current standing and future potential. We'll navigate through the technical indicators, market sentiment, and predictive models to provide a comprehensive picture for those seeking to understand this intriguing digital asset. Whether you're a seasoned crypto aficionado or a curious newcomer, join us as we unravel the enigma that is DOGWIFHAT. The journey promises to be both enlightening and, dare we say, potentially profitable. As of January 29, 2025, DOGWIFHAT, or WF, finds itself trading at $1.21. This represents a significant 24-hour surge of 15.15%, injecting a dose of excitement into the WIF community. However, before we pop the champagne, it's crucial to acknowledge the prevailing market sentiment, bearish. Despite the recent price pump, the overall mood remains cautious. The Fear and Greed Index, a popular barometer of investor sentiment, sits at 72, firmly in greed territory. While this might seem positive at first glance, it often signals a potential market correction, as seasoned investors may look to sell on the high. Adding to this cautious outlook is the volatility observed over the past month. YF has experienced a 17.17% swing in the last 30 days, highlighting its susceptibility to sharp price fluctuation. Furthermore, out of the past 30 days, WAF has only seen green or positive closing prices on 11 days, representing a relatively low 37%. This data paints a picture of cautious optimism. While the recent price jump is encouraging, the underlying bearish sentiment and historical volatility warrant a measured approach. Investors would be wise to temper their expectations and proceed with a healthy dose of due diligence. Predicting the future price of any asset, especially a cryptocurrency like DOGWIFHAT, is fraught with uncertainty. By analyzing historical data and market trends, we can glean some insights into WIF's potential trajectory. Short-term predictions suggest a surge to $3.99 by February 28, 2025. This translates to a 228% potential increase. However, the prevailing bearish sentiment could dampen this projection. A 5-day high of $1.58 is anticipated on February 3rd. Long-term predictions offer a more tempered outlook. Projections for 2025 estimate WIF to trade between $1.21 and $5.75. Investors could potentially enjoy a return on investment of 372%. Beyond 2025, the projected price range narrows considerably. Approach these predictions with skepticism. The cryptocurrency market is volatile, and unforeseen events can alter the course of any digital asset. Section 4. Decoding the charts. Technical analysis of WIF. Technical analysis provides valuable insights into the price movements of an asset by studying historical data and identifying patterns. In the case of DOGWIFHAT, the technical indicators paint a somewhat mixed picture. Currently, the overall sentiment derived from a combination of indicators leans towards bearish, with 6 bullish signals versus 21 bearish signals. This disparity suggests that downward pressure might be more dominant in the near future. Delving deeper, the 50-day simple moving average, or SMA, stands at $1.979431, while the 200-day SMA sits at $2.23. Both these indicators are currently flashing sell signals, indicating a potential continuation of the downward trend in both the short and long term. However, there's a glimmer of hope amidst the bearish signals. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, currently sits at 28.64. This reading falls within the oversold territory, suggesting that the recent price decline might be overextended. An oversold RSI often precedes a price bounce, as bargain hunters step in, enticed by the perceived dip. Section 5. The Ripple Effect. Correlations in the Crypto Sea. No cryptocurrency exists in a vacuum. The price movements of one digital asset are often influenced by the performance of others, particularly within their respective market segments. Understanding these correlations is crucial for investors seeking to manage their risk exposure. Over the past week, DOGWIFHAT has exhibited positive correlations with several cryptocurrencies, including Uniswap, SPX 6900, Optimism, Altcoin, and Sui Crypto. This suggests that WIF's price tends to move in the same direction as these assets, albeit with varying degrees of strength. Conversely, negative correlations have been observed with Jupiter, MantraDAO, Fast Token, KuCoin Token, and Bitensor. This indicates an inverse relationship where YF's price moves in the opposite direction of these assets. Investors should closely monitor the performance of these correlated assets, as they can offer valuable clues about the potential price direction of DOGWIFHAT. For instance, a sudden surge in Uniswap or Optimism might positively influence YF's price, while a downturn in Jupiter or KuCoin Token could exert downward pressure. Section 6. To invest or not to invest. Weighing the risks and rewards. The decision to invest in any asset, especially one as volatile as cryptocurrency, is a personal one that should not be taken lightly. Before committing any capital to DOGWIFHAT, potential investors should carefully consider the following. Risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency investments are inherently risky and subject to significant price fluctuations. Investors should only allocate funds they can afford to lose and be prepared for the possibility of a total capital loss. Investment goals. Clearly define your investment goals and determine if DOGWIFHAT aligns with your overall strategy. Are you seeking short-term gains, long-term growth, or a combination of both? Due diligence. Conduct thorough research on DOGWIFHAT, its underlying technology, team, and market position. Don't rely solely on price predictions or online hype. Market volatility. The cryptocurrency market is notorious for its volatility. Be prepared for sudden price swings and avoid emotional decision-making. Diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investment portfolio across different asset classes to mitigate risk. Section 7. Final thoughts. Navigating the wild ride of crypto. The world of cryptocurrency is an exhilarating yet unpredictable one. DOGWIFHAT, with its recent price surge and ambitious projections, has captured the attention of many investors. However, it's crucial to approach this and any other digital asset with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the potential rewards and inherent risks. Remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. While price predictions can provide some guidance, they are not guarantees. Conduct thorough research, stay informed about market trends, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages of development, and only time will tell which assets will stand the test of time. This analysis is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.